that's the way it goes, I guess. I should be thankful for the time we had each other.